Hello students. Hi everyone. A warm welcome to everybody. Hi, I am Vishwanath. I am teaching Sanskrit for past 18 years. So today in this class we are going to learn 10 action verbs in Sanskrit. The action verbs are very important to learn a language. It plays a vital role to communicate with others. So students, let us start. Hasatu, which means to laugh. Ramaha hasatu. Sita hasatu. Rodatu, which means cry. Ramaha rodatu. Sita rodatu. So hasatu, rodatu. Pathatu, which means read. Ramaha pathatu. Sita pathatu. Next, likhatu. Ramaha likhatu. Sita likhatu, which means Rama write, Sita write. Next, khadatu, which means to eat. Dilipaha khadatu. Mala khadatu. Mala eat, Dilip eat. Pibatu, which means to drink. Keshavaha pibatu. Sita jalam pibatu, which means Sita drink water. Next, gacchatu, which means go. Ramaha gacchatu. Sita gacchatu. Rama go, Sita go. Agacchatu, which means come. Rama come. Sita come. Ramaha agacchatu. Sita agacchatu. Uttisthatu, to stand. Ramaha uttisthatu. Rama stand. Sita uttisthatu. Sita stand.